what's happening, YouTube family? Today I've got an interesting episode for you. I'm at the local dealership, about to get an oil change on the QX, and it is going to be the last oil change because I'm selling the car, and I've got awesome, exciting news for you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, first things first, if you haven't already, please subscribe down below, like this video, comment, follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting ridiculous memes and car-related content, so please follow me, I'll follow you back. Let's get into this video. Alright y'all, let's talk about what is happening. So, the QX is being sold, and the reason for that, my main reason for that is the MPG and my business. My business has been taking off. I've been spending lots of time commuting down to Denver, going down there showing homes, and I've been spending about $400 a month on gas every month the last 3 months, so it's getting a little ridiculous. Anyways, kind of put it out there into the universe for someone to give me an offer, and I got an awesome offer from a local Facebook Infiniti page owner, and he's gonna be picking the car up very soon. I'll have the handoff on one of the next vlog videos. So in the meantime, I've been shopping around, really found something that I love, and I'm gonna take you guys on the journey when I go pick that car up. It's gonna be awesome. So that's the reason behind it. No bull, just that's what's happening with life. It comes at you fast sometimes and you gotta make some changes. However, I will still be vlogging, will still be doing mod videos, will still be doing more Infiniti related content in the future, and hopefully some more car reviews. And yeah guys, pretty excited, stoked, stick around, it's gonna be an awesome journey. I'm gonna show you this dealership. It's Rick and Bond Infiniti. They're awesome. They always hook me up here in Dacono, Colorado. So shout out guys, and catch you soon. Ha! Definitely going to miss this. Can't wait to hand it over. Definitely the cleanest QX on the road in my opinion. I've seen so many other builds out there, and yeah, mine's the best.